Next question is on page 1, stoichiometry and redox reaction. Question number 8. 5 volume of hydrocarbons on complete combustion consume 10 volume of oxygen. On complete combustion, we have missed consume 10 volume of oxygen and 5 volume of CO2 at STP. The hydrocarbon is, I am assuming hydrocarbon is CX, HY with oxygen, giving you CO2 plus water. Try to balance the equation like CO2 Y by 2 H2O. If I write the number of oxygens on right hand side, 2x plus Y by 2, and balancing the equation, if I try to balance the equation, 2x plus Y by 2 divided by 2 O2. So this is the balanced equation we can write. Now, they have given that in the question that 5 volume of this react with 5 volume of this react with 10 volumes of oxygen and making 5 volumes of CO2. 5 volumes of CO2. Trying to do it in a simple ratio. So 5, 10, 5 gone. 1 is to 2 is to 1 is the ratio. We can put that x will be equals to 1. And in this equation, we can equalize 2x plus y by 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 2. So 2x plus y by 2 equals to y by 2 equals to 4. Moving towards x value is 1, we can write y by 2 equals to 2 into 1 will be 2 minus 4 will be 2 and y will be equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. So x is 1, y is 4. We have taken our hydrocarbon as CX, HY. So C1, H4, or we can write CH. 4 option is C. So then C will be the answer. Thank you.